Alright, so, the Aerless Vacuum Kit. Let's talk about whether this travel gadget is actually worth your money or just another overhyped product you see online. Aerless Vacuum Kit claims to help you save space, pack more clothes, and keep everything neat and protected. Sounds great, right? But is it really legit? Let's break it down in a simple, friendly way. First positive sign, they clearly list the main features. You get space optimization, the ability to compress 15+ items, a rechargeable air pump, odor-free storage, and waterproof anti-rip nylon bags. This at least gives you a clear idea of what the product is supposed to do and how it helps during travel. Another good thing, they've included a very simple and clean how it works section. Just open the bag, pack your clothes, attach the pump, and let it compress. Super easy. This kind of clarity helps a lot, especially if you're buying for the first time. The third positive sign, they claim that the Aerless Vacuum Kit is TSA-approved and travel-friendly. If you fly often, this is important because you need to know if the pump can go through airport security. So this adds a little confidence for frequent travelers. Fourth positive sign, they highlight that you can triple your packing space while keeping everything neat and clean. Plus, modular vacuum bags, a portable pump, and odor-proof storage. All of this sounds helpful and explains how the kit is supposed to make traveling smoother. But now, let's talk about the reviews. So here's where things get interesting. They say they have over 100,000 happy customers on Trustpilot. But when we actually checked Trustpilot, we only found around 90 reviews. And when we looked deeper, the reviews were kind of mixed. Some people love the kit. They say it helped them pack more, made traveling easier, and the customer service was good. But others felt the ads were misleading, and the compression wasn't as powerful as promised. So yeah, experiences vary a lot. So is the Aerless Vacuum Kit legit? Well, kind of. The product does work for basic space saving. But the difference between what they advertise and what users actually experience raises a few red flags. It's usable, just don't expect miracle-level compression like in the ads. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.